Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man. I just wanted to show you one of our 6As is going, and we're putting the splines in the locker gear for the big hub, the 2009 up. So that's what we're doing. We're splining the inside of that gear so that it matches up to our factory stub shaft. It's one of the big secrets of our locking hubs for the 2009 up. That's why you don't have to change the stub shaft. And all of the dimensions of the hub itself, the gear, the thrust bushing, the spacing, the cooling spacers for the rotors, all of those dimensions are worked out perfectly so that it would all slide on without modifying that factory stub shaft, trimming it or cutting it back or anything. It is all worked out to the minute dimensions. I took a little time and a little effort, and that's what makes it impossible to simplify. A one-piece slide-on assembly. Unheard of in the automotive world. Never been done before. Never been done before. And theoretically, being a one-piece unit, it cannot be simplified. Cannot. God bless you. God bless America. And happy trucking, my friends. Bye.